Another day. Well, it's all going on today. The weather's been terrible as well up to now, but yeah, I've had quite a few things delivered today. I'm just going to show you. In fact, somebody's just dropped this off. So I think the tumour boiler's come. 2 big packages there. That's going to be fun. A long way down the road yet. Just been sanding this spare wheel because I need to spray it because we've got the wheel thing. I've been sprayed up now, but I can't put it on by myself. I'm going to need a lift with that, and I'll have to take the light off for it, the back light. So yeah, and at the moment I'm up on the roof because I've had some floodlights delivered today. Well, roof spotlights. So I'm just in the middle of drilling holes and putting hammerite on. So I'm going to take you up on the roof with me in a minute. It's a bit windy today, and I haven't got a dead cat on here. So just got 3 live ones that drive me insane. But you might not be able to hear me. You might be. I'm going to take you up on the tripod. So I'll see you up on the roof. No paid advertisement going on in this video, by the way, but just thought I'd go and get myself a beer. You can't beat a beer, can you? I think I've earned it today. So I'm just waiting for this hammerite to go a bit tacky, and then I'll stick some Addiseal on, get the bolts through, get the lights on, can wire them in tomorrow. I've got 2 relays coming, one for these lights and one for the fog lights. I can't put the fog lights in yet because I haven't got the plastic surrounds. So, quite funny actually. Got cars slowing down as they come around the corner. Probably think it's a police camera. Nice, these spotlights. I can't remember where I got them from. I'll put a link in the description when I do this video. At the moment I'm just videoing everything. Obviously it'll get edited. Yeah, that beer is damn good. I do like an Amstel. It's got to be cold though. It's not as cold as I want it. Right, is that? That's more or less gone off there. You can see inside where they come through. There we go. Got that bolt there, and that's the way you're coming through. A bit of silicone on it because I shoved it through. Need to silicone that yet. I'm pretty sure that's not going to leak. But we'll find out when it rains. That's why I've done this before the headliner goes back in. There you go. 2 spotlights fitted. I'm back. Oh. Quick update for you. You saw me putting the roof spotlights on yesterday. I put one at either side. Filled them all in and everything. It's fine. I had a look at them this morning and it just looks like somebody's thrown them up there. It doesn't look very professional at all. So what I'm going to do, well, I'm doing nothing today. This is just a quick update, but it's freezing cold outside and it's raining sideways. So there's nothing getting done in the van today. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I've decided I'm going to put a bar of aluminium or something across the front of the roof rack, the Unistrut. I'm going to mount all 4 lights on there. I have drilled 4 holes in the roof of the van to accommodate these 2 lights that I've put up, but they just don't look right and they're not straight, and I'm just not happy with them. So I'm going to get some tiny little plastic grommets. I think there's 2 holes at 8mm and there's 2 holes at 6mm. I'll get some little white plastic grommets and I'll silicone them in. I might have a struggle getting the bolts out for these because they have silicone them in, but it just doesn't look professional at all. It looks. I was pretty eager. I was too eager really to get them on the roof when they came yesterday. I just thought, yeah, when I got up this morning, I thought I should have waited. So yeah, it was a mistake. Hopefully I can find some little plastic grommets that I can put in there. But I'm going to do it properly. I'm going to mount them on a bar, and then they're fully adjustable. You can turn them sideways. At the moment, all I can do is tip them up and down. I can't even move them sideways because they're siliconed in. So yeah, I'm going to sit them on a bar so they can also, because we may want to, I mean, if we went in the middle of nowhere, we might want some lights at the side of the van or something. I don't know. But yeah, I can't justify them just sitting there on the roof. They look okay, but I'm not happy. So yeah, I'm going to redo them. So that was a big cock up really, putting 4 holes in the roof. I'm sure I'll find some plastic grommets somewhere to seal it up. And you won't see them, because like I said, they're on the roof. But yeah, a bit hasty. I'm going to take my time with things from now on. Not rushing anything. The problem is, it's probably the same as everybody that does these videos and converts vans. You just want to get it done, don't you? You know, something comes and you think, oh, I need to fit that, I need to fit this. And to be honest, you can't really do it in a hurry. And it's a mistake. So that's why people like us make videos. So people like you that are deciding to do their own van, don't make the same mistakes. It's easily done. And I did rush into it, but it's not a big problem. I would have liked not to have put holes in the roof, but I think by the time I've found some plastic grommets and stuck them in there, you're not even going to see, well, you definitely won't see them because they're on the top and they won't leak. I mean, I've been in the van and there's no leaks from the silicone that I put in, but they're not big holes, 8mm and 6mm. 6mm for the wire and the 8mm for the bolt. But yeah, I was too hasty, shouldn't have done it. But you live and learn. So yeah, no van work today. Crap day, crap weather. So I went to the supermarket, got some shopping, and I'm making tea for me and Barbara. Well, I'm back. It's another day. Not done a right lot for the past 3 days because it's been absolutely pouring it down and you just can't get nothing done. It's just doing me head in now. It is fine today, but I've been pottering around in the van doing some... yeah, I've been messing around with some roof lights. I've put them on a bar. I'll show you those as well shortly. And I think I'm going to go out and put them on the roof now, bolt them down to the existing uni-strut, and then I can wire up if it starts raining again. At least I'm inside the van, because it's just yeah, it's been a nightmare. Little helpers here today, well, in and out, in between jobs.
Afternoon!
I've got lots of hair going on at the moment. I think I need my hair cut, and there's quite a bit coming on here. So.
Like a bedhead, you want an head massage, don't you?
So there's the roof light bar. Put four spot lamps on there for the roof bar. I tested them all as well in the house. They're all working, and when all four are on, it's pulling about 5 amps, which is next to nothing really. And bearing in mind that these are connected to the van battery, we won't be using them when we're parked up, so they won't be connected to leisure in any way. Just simply to the van battery. Well, if you're driving when you're in the middle of nowhere and you just want to light up the whole of Scotland or Wales. What I haven't gone through is if you want to do any upgrades, wiring upgrades, under the driver's seat, I've fitted a relay in here. You can't see it very well, it's actually underneath here. But there's 3, in fact, if I can get at it. There's 3 connections there under this black cap. This one here is a switched live, and it's the one that Mercedes-Benz use for any upgrades. So that's the one you really need to be connecting anything to if you're going to put any extra wiring in. The one in the middle is a constant live, and I think that's just a ground, that one. But yeah, that's permanently live, that's a switched live, and that's the one you really need to use. The one where you can see I've connected a relay into there with a 30 amp fuse, which then goes up to that control panel. So yeah, that's where you need to be looking if you're looking to upgrade. So that wire goes along there, it goes up through there, right along into the headliner and into the control panel, which is there again. Oh, that's a better view actually from down here. Yeah, I think they're very good days for what they are. They're not very expensive. I'm going to I'll probably put another 2 of these control panels in, one on either side. Not on the roof, obviously. Up there when we've got the shelves up there and shelves up there. This lot here is just me testing all these little blue lights. I'll disconnect all these now. They can all be connected up into the. I tried them last night. There's a wasp trying to get me. Yeah, so actually the sun's starting to shine. Crikey. Oh, well, they were out cutting the grass today as well this morning in the rain again. It must be a council thing. They probably just decide that, oh, it's raining lads, come on, get out with the lawnmowers. So yeah, numpties. Look at this mess. Oh grief. Time for a clean up, I think. A tidy up. It's a mess. Anyway, catch you in a bit when I get these roof lights up. No, I haven't lost the plot. I got mad and started to dismantle the van, although it looks like I have. I've took the bumper off because I bought some spotlights, and the only way, well, they call them daytime running lights, but they're light fog lights. The only way to get them on is to take all this front thing off. So I've just done that. So there's the bumper all off, and I've cut one of the holes and put one of the lights in. They're not wired up or anything yet, but yeah, quite nice then. So I'm just going to start on the other one now. and try and get that thing back together. Oh, didn't show you the light bar once it was finished. Tested all the lights last night in the dark. Crikey, it lit up all the street. They're up there. They're very powerful. Man, you probably need them if we go off grid somewhere. So yeah, there's the front of my car at the moment. A bloody mess. Have to put it all back together. Everything's held together with plastic clips. Not surprising they write cars off these days when they have accidents. Plastic clips must cost about £500 each. So I'm going to start on the second one, so I'll come back to you when I've cut this other hole. I've cut the circle out. They're down there, both of them. But the hole has to be cut 79mm in diameter, which is over the pan, and then have to get some silicone behind that and glue them in. So hopefully I'll get them glued in shortly, and then I can start putting the damn thing back together. Right, catch you in a bit. So I've managed to cut both holes, and I've put the lights in. So I'm fastening the wires up with these little sticky up things and cable ties. You need to put a little bit of a U shape in the bottom there, so if it rains the water doesn't run into the light, it just drips off the bottom of that cable. I'll do the same at this side. I'm going to put it on in a minute. Try and feed these wires through without losing them. It'll be a bit difficult this, but we'll have a go. Just have 5 minutes and then I'm going to put it back. So I'll catch you in a bit.
Them's the fog lights that he's put in. Put them in the other day. Well cool. Look at that, baby. Also we've got the roof lights on now. Put them on the other night with the light daytime.